Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar. The dollar index is trading at 104.25. Investors are still focused on new statements by U.S. President Donald Trump on trade policy. The day before, he announced the introduction of 25% duties on all cars imported into the country. According to Trump's assistant, Will Scharf, the duties will bring the budget more than $100 billion in annual revenue. The president also announced the possible introduction of even greater restrictions on the EU and Canada if they begin to coordinate efforts in the fight against U.S. trade policy. Yesterday, data on U.S. gross domestic product for the fourth quarter were published. The indicator grew by 2.4% against preliminary estimates of 2.3%, which provided additional support to the dollar. Given this, the dollar retains growth potential. Next, euro against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.0790. U.S. President Donald Trump announced on Wednesday that he plans to impose a 25% tariff on all U.S. auto imports, effective April 2. The measure is aimed at protecting the American auto industry from unfair competition from foreign manufacturers, especially those countries that the White House believes are using the U.S. as a market without providing equal access to their own markets. Following Trump's threats of new tariffs, European Central Bank spokesman and Belgian Central Bank Governor Pierre Wunsch told CNBC that the tariffs would cause enormous damage to the European economy, slowing GDP growth and raising inflation. According to analysts, the pair retains potential for decline. And finally, oil. WTI crude oil is trading near $70 per barrel. The White House administration has tightened sanctions against Iran and Venezuela this week, trying to put significant pressure on oil exports from these regions and, if possible, reduce them to zero. According to experts, the restrictions could lead to the market losing 1 million barrels per day produced in the Islamic Republic and 400,000 barrels per day in Venezuela. In addition, OPEC+ countries have also announced plans to reduce production in order to compensate for the violation of production quotas for past periods. At this point, the rise in oil prices may continue. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.